What's up, guys? Meet me again in News NC channel. Okay, in this video, I want to share how we can faster indexing article for our blog uh, after Google disable uh, submit URL console or Google Search Console in here. Okay, if we open Google Search Console, they disable the form like before this tool is enable or disable. Okay, uh, after you create article, it's better you go to webmaster tools or like this, and then for example open your website in here. I want to using for my site. Okay, now for example I want to submit my article in my web page. Okay, I open this page, and for example I want to index some article in here. You can go to crawl, for example, and then fed as Google in here. Okay, this is for example I complete for indexing the article, and then you can copy paste, but without the main URL with slash. Okay, just put the following behind your main domain like this, and then I want to fetch. Okay, request indexing, just waiting for your article has indexed by Google. Okay, that's tutorial how we can fetch article, so our article will index faster rather than using submit uh, Google Search Console that have been disabled now by Google. Okay, that's all, and hope can helpful for you, especially for you blogger. Thanks for watching.